Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump on a Ford Taurus. First, ensure you have all the necessary tools and a new water pump kit ready. Begin by safely draining the entire cooling system to prevent any spills or mess. Always remember to disconnect your vehicle's battery before starting any work to ensure your safety throughout the repair process. This crucial first step sets you up for a smooth replacement. Now, let's get to the water pump itself. You'll need to remove any components that are blocking your access, which might include engine covers or other accessories. Carefully detach all hoses and belts connected to the water pump, making sure to label them if needed. Taking a moment to note the orientation of these parts will make reassembly much easier later on. With everything clear, you can now unbolt the old water pump and carefully remove it from the engine block. This is a great time to thoroughly clean the mounting surface, ensuring it's free of any old gasket material or corrosion for a perfect seal. Then, install your new water pump, using a fresh gasket and tightening the bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque for optimal performance. Finally, reconnect all the hoses, belts, and any electrical connectors you detached earlier. Double-check that everything is secure and properly routed. Refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant mixture, bleeding any air from the system as needed. Start the engine and check for leaks. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.